Every end of the season, my wardrobe gets a bit chaotic. Summer dresses sneak in before winter scarves are out and nothing has a place anymore. So today I'm finally doing a full seasonal reset. Decluttering, rearranging, and giving my vintage closet a bit of breathing room. It's a lot of folding, sorting, and dancing around hangers. And of course the cats do make an appearance. This video is a little bit different, more like an old newsreel, quick clips, cheerful music, and one woman's seasonal battle with her closet. I hope you enjoy it. Now we're downstairs in the guest room. This is where I will be keeping my summer wardrobe. Since the space is limited, my mum kindly offered to store my winter coats at her place, which frees up this side for all my summer dresses and skirts to breathe a little, because they're really cramped right now in the middle part. So I will be dressing down here throughout the warmer months. And that's it. My summer wardrobe is finally in place and I can actually find things right now. I hope you enjoyed this slightly different style of video. A little faster, a little lighter, but I think still very me. And please let me know in the comments if you would like to see more fashion or closet related content like this. And if you haven't seen it yet, you might enjoy my 1950s summer essentials video. And thank you so much for spending time with me and Giuseppe and Melita too. And see you soon. Bye bye.